Hello, good afternoon. My name is Marcelino. Today I want to share about the test of English for International Communication, or TOEIC. It's an English language certification that aims to measure a person's ability to communicate using English in everyday life by testing your types of communication. Namely is listening, reading, speaking, and writing. TOEIC is a certification test developed by the Educational Testing Service, or ETS, in the United States, which is the same institution that created TOEFL in the late 1970s in Japanese Ministry of Trade and Industry asked ETS to create an English test that could be used to assess the international communication skill of professionals in Asia. Then in 1979, TOEIC was first introduced in Japan and became an international standard in the professional world for recruiting and training employees in multinational companies. TOEIC has become the standard of measuring professional English language proficiency in the workplace, and is used by more than 14,000 companies, institutions, governments, and English language learning programs in more than 160 countries around the world. To that, Japanese remains the primary market for ETS TOEIC tests, along with South Korea, which accounts for 80% of TOEIC test takers each year. TOEIC differs from other English language tests such as ELTS and TOEFL. ELTS is an English language test that is usually taken for immigration purposes and to apply to universities in the United Kingdom, with a validity period of 2 years. TOEFL is an English language test that is usually taken to apply to universities in the United States or Canada, with a validity period of 2 years. Meanwhile, TOEIC is an English test taken for professional certification that is valid for 2 years. Simply put, ELTS is a test for academic and immigration purpose. TOEFL is for academic purpose, and TOEIC is for work and professional purpose. The ELTS and TOEFL test consist of 4 sections that are taken as a single unit, namely listening, reading, speaking, and writing, while the TOEIC test consists of 2 sections, namely receptive English skill in the form of listening and reading, and productive English skill in the form of speaking and writing. The following is an example of a TOEIC test question from the reading section in part 5. Namely, in complete sentence, the company usually blah 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 an anniversary celebration party for the entire staff at the end of the year. A. Hold. B. Holds. C. Have hold. D. Was holding. The answer is B. Holds, because there is a time marker in the form of usually, so the tenses use is simple present, making the word holds the answer, plus S, because the subject is singular, namely the word the company. Thank you for listening.